Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So it is time to study now, and today we will revise the concept of in and out. As you already know that this ball is in the circle and this bear is out of the circle. Now tell me who is in the bowl. Yes, there is a fish in the bowl. And who is out of the bowl? Yes, there is a sparrow out of the bowl. So now I am giving you an assignment. What you have to do is that you have to write in or out for the given picture. Like in picture number 1, a dog is in the kennel or out of the kennel. Yes, the dog is out of the kennel. So what we will do? We will write out. I hope that you will do this worksheet easily. So take care. Allah Hafiz.